Hey everyone, let's talk about one of my absolute favorite ingredients, something creamy, delicious, and so good for you. I'm talking about the amazing avocado. You know the one, that green gem with the big pit in the middle. For years, people were a little shy around avocados, thinking they were just full of fat. But guess what? It's the good kind of fat your body loves. This isn't just a trendy topping for your toast. It's a real deal superfood that can change your health game. Time to give this gorgeous fruit a standing ovation. Think of the avocado as nature's butter. It's versatile and brings rich, satisfying texture to any dish. Whipping it into a dip, slicing it over a salad, blending it into a smoothie. While you're enjoying that creaminess, you're loading up on incredible nutrients. Total win-win. Add this green powerhouse to your shopping cart every week. Simple, delicious, one of the easiest ways to be good to yourself. What makes it so special? Packed with vitamins and minerals your body wants. First up, let's talk about your heart. You gotta take care of that ticker, right? Avocados are champions of heart health because they are brimming with monounsaturated fat. That sounds sciencey, I know, but just think of it as the good guy fat. This type of fat helps lower the bad cholesterol, that's LDL, and keep your good cholesterol, HDL, in a happy place. It's like a little cleanup crew for your arteries, helping everything run smoothly and keeping your heart strong for all the years to come. It's a simple, tasty way to show your heart some serious love, but it doesn't stop there. Avocados can also give you that gorgeous, healthy glow. You know how you spend money on all those fancy skin creams? Well, true beauty starts from the inside, and avocados are your secret weapon. They are loaded with vitamin C and E, which are amazing antioxidants. These little warriors help protect your skin from damage and keep it looking fresh, supple, youthful. The healthy fats in avocados also help keep your skin moisturized from within, fighting off dryness. So while you're enjoying a yummy avocado snack, you're basically giving yourself a mini facial at the same time. Feeling a little sluggish in the afternoon? Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, maybe try reaching for an avocado. These guys are a fantastic source of natural energy. Unlike sugary snacks that give you a quick spike followed by a big crash, the healthy fats and fiber in avocados provide a slow, steady release of energy. This means you'll feel fuller for longer and have the stamina to power through your day. And let's not forget about your tummy. A happy gut is a happy you. And avocados are fantastic for your digestive system. Okay, ladies, listen up. This is where the avocado story gets really, really good for us. This amazing fruit is like a little gift from Mother Nature, especially when it comes to reproductive health. Avocados are loaded with folate, which is another name for vitamin B9. You've probably heard how important folate is during pregnancy for helping to prevent birth defects, but its job starts way before that. Getting enough folate is super important for women who are trying to conceive. It plays a key role in creating healthy cells. Think of it as helping to build the perfect little nest for a future baby. But the magic doesn't stop with folate. Avocados are also a fantastic source of vitamin E, sometimes called the fertility vitamin. Vitamin E can help improve the lining of the uterus, making it a more welcoming place for an embryo to implant. Plus, the healthy fats in avocados are essential for producing hormones. Our bodies need these fats to keep our hormones balanced, which is the cornerstone of a regular, healthy menstrual cycle. And for all the moms to be out there, the avocado is your best friend during pregnancy too. Potassium in avocados can help ease nausea. Vitamin B6 in avocados can also help ease nausea. Plus, leg cramps can be a common complaint during pregnancy, and the high potassium content in avocados can help keep those cramps at bay. And of course, all that fiber is a lifesaver for preventing pregnancy-related constipation. So whether you're planning, trying, or already expecting, the humble avocado is a true female-friendly superfood. So now you're probably thinking, okay, Rachel, I'm sold, but how do I eat more of this stuff? I got you. It is so easy to work avocados into your meals. You'll wonder why you weren't doing it all along. The most classic, of course, is avocado toast. But let's kick it up a notch. Don't just mash it on bread. Try topping it with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little heat, a squeeze of lemon juice to keep it bright, or some everything bagel seasoning for a pop of flavor. You can even top it with a perfect fried egg or poached egg for a protein-packed breakfast that will keep you going for hours. But don't just stop at breakfast. Avocados are amazing in salads and bowls instead of a heavy, creamy dressing. Just cube up a ripe avocado and toss it in with your greens. I love to make a big grain bowl for lunch with quinoa, grilled chicken, chickpeas, lots of fresh veggies, and a whole bunch of diced avocado on top. Ready for a game changer? Add avocado to your smoothies. Tossing half an avocado into your blender with fruit like banana, pineapple, a handful of spinach, and some almond milk creates the most unbelievably creamy milkshake-like texture. You don't even taste the avocado, but you get all of its amazing nutritional benefits. It's a fantastic way to sneak in those healthy fats and fiber, especially if you have picky eaters at home. And of course, we can't forget the king of all avocado dishes, guacamole. Making your own is so simple and a million times better than the store-bought stuff. Just mash up a couple of ripe avocados with chopped onion, cilantro, jalapeno, a squeeze of lime juice, and a pinch of salt. You can dip veggies, whole grain chips, or use it as a topping for tacos, burgers, or grilled fish. See, getting your daily dose of avocado is not only easy, it's delish. Now for the big question, can you have too much of a good thing? When it comes to avocados, the key is balance, just like with any food. While they are incredibly good for you, they are also what we call calorie dense. So you don't need to eat 5 a day to get all those wonderful benefits. For most people, aim for about 1/2 to 1 whole avocado per day. This amount gives you a fantastic dose of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins we've been talking about, without going overboard on calories. Half a medium avocado is perfect to spread on toast in the morning or slice over your lunchtime salad. Listening to your body is always the best guide. The fats and fiber in avocados are satisfying and help you feel full. Of course, everyone is different. Very active person, whole avocado may fit your needs. Athlete, whole avocado as a refuel. Someone with higher energy needs whole avocado works. The trick is to be mindful, not obsessive. Enjoy the food, savor the flavor, let it nourish you. Half to a whole avocado daily is a powerful investment in your health, supporting your heart, supporting your skin, boosting your energy levels, and helping hormonal balance. Go ahead, grab that green beauty and start enjoying it today. Your body will absolutely thank you for it.